This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Polar H10 to Polar Beat. First, make sure your Polar H10 heart rate sensor is worn correctly and snugly around your chest. Next, open the Polar Beat application on your smartphone. It's important that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. For Android users, location services must also be enabled for the app to scan for Bluetooth devices. This ensures a smooth connection process. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found at the bottom or side of the screen. From there, find and select the HR sensor option. The app will then begin searching for your Polar H10. This usually takes just a few seconds. When your sensor appears on the screen, simply tap the pair button to initiate the connection. You're almost there. After tapping pair, the app should confirm that your Polar H10 is successfully connected. You can then start a training session within Polar Beat to view your real-time heart rate data. For the best signal, keep your smartphone in front of you, perhaps in a pocket or on a belt. Remember, the H10 also has internal memory to record one training session, even if your phone isn't nearby. If you encounter any issues, first check your phone's Bluetooth settings and forget any old H10 pairings. Always moisten the H10's electrode areas before wearing it to ensure good contact. To preserve battery life, always detach the H10 connector from its strap after each use, as it doesn't have an on-off button. Finally, confirm the H10 battery, a CR2025, is not depleted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.